A study from Gallup shows that 8 out of 10 people dislike or hate their job. That's a really big, big bummer. Hey everyone, Suzy here from the Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today, we are out in England. It's a great day, it's sunny, and I'm happy. So in this video with you, I'm going to discuss the curse of staying in a job you dislike. Wait, I'm not the only one, right? I can't be, and I'm not. A study from Gallup shows that 8 out of 10 people dislike or hate their job. That's a really big, big bummer. But let's get into it. So what I want you to focus on today is how to get clear on your exit plan in your future. I get it. I was right there myself in previous jobs, and I actually kind of liked my last one that I'm in and leaving soon. But I just knew that I could do more to live out my dream. I always imagined what it would be like to be an entrepreneur, but I just didn't dream about it. Now I am wildly clear on what I want in my life and what I want it to look like. I knew I wanted to work from home. I knew I wanted to be able to spend more time with Michael. I knew I wanted to make money while helping others. I knew I wanted to create my own schedule so that I could volunteer or cycle any day of the week. I've been writing down my plans and I've been envisioning what my future will be like. I made it all happen in my mind first, and so can you. But none of it would have happened if I didn't first get clear about what I wanted. Don't get me wrong, it's not like it happened overnight, and it won't happen overnight for you. That's totally okay. Eventually, I realized that I loved the thrill of real estate investing and helping people, which led Michael and I down this path. So here's your escape plan tip number 2. Make a plan before leaving your safe, secure job. Don't quit because you're having a bad day, and don't quit right away because you hate your boss. I find that most people don't know what they want to do. They just know they don't like what they're currently doing. But if you quit your job without having a clear goal or a vision of your future, you're making things harder on yourself, and that really defeats the whole purpose. So in my case, I knew I wanted to serve beyond my 4 walls, and real estate investing was gonna get me there. Everyone will have a different vision, but what's important is that you craft it around doing what you love. Unfortunately, doing what you love doesn't always create instant income, so it's crucial that you have a sound financial plan so you don't have to go back to your 9 to 5. A great quote from Stephen Covey is always begin with the end in mind. I hope you found value in this video, and don't forget to stay tuned for the remaining 8 videos that will follow. And go ahead and smash that like button below or subscribe above so that you can make sure you're getting that content by ringing that bell. Ring that bell. Until next time, explore more. Adventure awaits.